Hello everybody, Tom Arnold with the RE/MAX Realty. In today's video, sellers, I'm going to give you 3 things you absolutely must know before you sell your house. Stay tuned for number 3, it's the most important. I do a lot of open houses and I meet a lot of buyers. Buyers normally ask me about the same things. Number 1, how old is the roof? Sellers, do you know how old your roof is? Maybe you bought your house 10 years ago, the roof's been fine, it hasn't leaked. Before you sell your house, hire a roofer to go up on your roof, have him do an inspection. He can kind of be able to tell you about how old the roof is and how much life is left in that roof. Another thing buyers always ask me is, have you had any inspections done? Now sellers, when you work with me, I'm gonna hire the pest inspector, I'm gonna take care of it. We're gonna walk through with the inspector and make sure your house doesn't have any issues. The last thing you want is the buyer to do his pest inspection and say, look, we found some termites under your house and some dry rot. We need about $10,000 to take care of it. You don't want any surprises from your buyer. Do your pest inspection. And finally, the last thing a buyer is probably going to ask for in this market is, can I get some closing cost credit? They're probably going to want some credit to either buy down their rate or help them with closing costs. Sellers, think about your budget ahead of time and think about, is this in my budget? Can I afford to give the buyer some closing cost credit if he asks? Well, that's it, folks. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit that like button and that subscribe button. And if you're looking to buy or sell, or you just have any questions about real estate, you call me, Tom Arnold, RE/MAX.